Listen closely. You are here because you want to grow. You are here because you want to understand English better, speak more confidently, and feel proud of yourself. And that is beautiful. You do not need to be perfect to learn. You only need to be present. You only need to show up. You only need to listen. In this moment, let everything else fall away. Just your breathing, your mind, and this gentle English. You are safe here. You are learning at your own speed, in your own calm rhythm. And that is enough. Today, we talk about a simple idea that is small but very powerful. The idea is nothing is free. Not in a hard way, not in a painful way, but in a way that helps us understand growth. When we understand this idea in a soft and positive way, we can learn English better. We can feel stronger. We can feel more in control of our journey. Nothing is free means that everything has a cost. The cost is not always money. Sometimes the cost is time. Sometimes the cost is energy. Sometimes the cost is effort. Sometimes the cost is patience. Sometimes the cost is facing our mistakes. Sometimes the cost is feeling uncomfortable for a moment while we learn something new. When we accept that learning needs something from us, we can move forward with peace. Many people want to learn English fast. They want to speak like a native speaker without mistakes. They want to understand everything immediately. They want the result, but they do not want the process. They want the fruit, but they do not want to plant the seed. They want the reward, but they do not want the journey. And this is why they feel frustrated. This is why they stop. This is why they say English is too hard for me, but English is not too hard. The problem is the expectation. They expected free growth. They expected easy progress. They wanted something without giving anything. But you are here. You are listening. You are learning. You are giving your time. You are giving your patience. You are giving your heart. And that means you are growing. Growth is slow like the sunrise. You do not see it move, but slowly the darkness disappears. Your English grows like this, slowly, calmly, step by step. When we say nothing is free, we do not mean life is heavy. We mean life is meaningful. We mean our effort matters. We mean our small actions create real change. Think about a plant. A plant begins as a small seed. The seed is tiny. It looks weak. It looks like nothing. But inside the seed there is life. Growth is waiting. But the seed does not grow by magic. It needs water. It needs sunlight. It needs time. It needs care. Your English is the same. Your effort is the water. Your patience is the sunlight. Your time is the soil. Your practice is the care. When you repeat words, you water your English. When you listen, even when it feels slow, you give sunlight. When you do not give up, you build strong roots inside you. And one day, you will speak with confidence, with clarity, with flow, and someone will say, "Wow, your English is good." And in that moment, you will remember this lesson: nothing is free, but everything is possible. You do not need to be perfect. You only need to continue. Every mistake you make is part of the cost of learning. You do not need to be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are not failure. Mistakes are evidence that you are trying. Mistakes show that you are brave. Every mistake is a step forward, not backward. So as you listen to this podcast, do not worry about understanding every word. Do not worry about your accent. Do not worry about sounding perfect. Feel the rhythm, feel the meaning. Let the language enter your mind slowly, gently, softly. You are learning, you are growing, you are doing well, and you are not alone. Many people around the world are learning English. They feel nervous, they feel shy, they feel small sometimes. But we all learn step by step together. When we know that nothing is free, we become stronger. We understand that progress takes time, and that is okay. Beautiful things take time. You can relax into the journey. You can enjoy the process. You can trust yourself. Let us go deeper. Think about the things you want in your life. Maybe you want to speak English fluently. Maybe you want a good job. Maybe you want new friends. Maybe you want to travel to another country. Maybe you want to feel free when you speak without fear. All of these things are possible for you. Truly, they are possible. But every dream needs something from you. Every goal needs a little effort, a little patience, a little time. Nothing is free does not mean life is cold or strict. It means life responds to what you give it. Just like a mirror, what you offer, you receive back. When you practice, you improve. When you listen, your understanding grows. When you speak, your confidence grows. When you keep going, you move closer to your goal. The cost is not a punishment. The cost is simply part of the journey of growth. Learning English is like learning to play music. At first, the sound is not smooth. Your voice may feel unsure. Your tongue becomes confused. Your thoughts move slowly. Your sentences feel broken. But if you stop, the music stays silent inside you. If you continue, slowly, the music begins to come out. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes. And one day, you speak without thinking, like music flowing from your voice. The start is not easy, but the result is worth it. Your brain changes when you learn something new. It builds small paths like tiny roads inside your mind. When you listen often, these roads become stronger. When you repeat words often, the road becomes clearer. When you speak even just a little, you create memory in your voice. Slowly, English becomes part of you. But if you never use it, the road stays small, weak, and unclear. So every time you try, you are building the road. Even a little practice matters. Even listening for 5 minutes matters. Even one new word matters. Imagine someone who wants to speak English well, but they are afraid to make mistakes. So they stay silent. They say nothing. They wait for the moment when they can speak perfectly. But perfection never comes first. Speaking comes first. Mistakes come first. This is the cost, but this cost brings growth. Mistakes do not mean you are failing. Mistakes mean you are learning. Mistakes show courage. Mistakes show action. Mistakes show that you are alive, trying, growing, and becoming stronger. You cannot learn to swim by watching others. You learn to swim by getting in the water. You cannot learn to speak by only thinking. You learn to speak by speaking, even when your words are not perfect. So do not wait for the perfect moment. Do not wait for perfect grammar. Do not wait for the perfect accent. Use the English you have now. Use it even if it feels small. Use it even if your voice shakes. Use it even if your sentences are not complete. Because when you use English, English becomes alive inside you. Nothing is free means that the ability to speak comes from practice. Confidence comes from showing up. Understanding comes from listening. Growth comes from consistency. You are not waiting for English to appear in your life like magic. You are walking toward it step by step with intention. you are already doing the work. By listening right now, you are learning. You are giving your time. You are building your path. You are making progress even if you do not see it clearly yet. Progress sometimes grows quietly. Growth sometimes happens in silence. But it is happening. It is happening inside you. Be patient with yourself. Be gentle with your journey. You are not behind. You are exactly where you need to be. And you are moving forward. Now breathe slowly, in and out. Feel your body soften. Feel your mind open. You are safe. You are growing. You are learning. Let us talk about patience. Patience is part of the cost of learning. When we are impatient, we become stressed. We feel like we are not improving. We feel like nothing is changing. But growth is not always visible. Growth often happens quietly, slowly, softly, like a tree growing roots underground. No one sees the roots. No one celebrates the roots. But the roots are the most important part. They hold the tree steady. Your small daily actions are your roots. Every time you listen, you are growing roots. Every time you speak, you are growing roots. Every time you try again after making a mistake, your roots become stronger. You may not see the progress today, but one day your English will surprise you. One day you will say a sentence without thinking. One day you will understand something you could not understand before. One day someone will talk to you in English, and you will respond naturally. And you will smile because you will realize that your effort was not wasted. Your time was not wasted. Nothing was wasted. Everything you gave helped you grow. This is why nothing is free, because what you gain has value. When something costs effort, it becomes meaningful. When something requires time, it becomes precious. When something challenges you, it strengthens you. You are not just learning English, you are learning discipline. You are learning patience. You are learning confidence. You are learning courage. So speak even when you are shy. Try even when you are nervous. Practice even when you feel tired, because every effort brings you closer to the person you want to be. And now, let us take a slow breath together. Inhale gently, hold for a moment, exhale slowly. Feel calm, feel steady, feel proud of yourself. You showed up today, you listened, you learned, you grew. Nothing is free, but you have what it takes to pay the cost. You have patience, you have courage, you have a heart that wants to grow. And that is enough, more than enough. You are doing well. You are growing every day. Trust your journey. Trust your progress. Trust yourself. This is the Gentle English Podcast, and I am proud of you. Thank you for listening. Come back again to practice slowly, softly, peacefully. Your English journey is alive, and so are you. Until next time, you are doing beautifully.